Welcome to Module 3, Effective Open Houses of the Real Estate Sales Builder Program. You're in the Overview and Download section. The primary objective of this module is to learn the process and strategies to find and conduct effective open houses, with the goal of generating buyer and seller leads for a transaction that can happen now and in the future. Let's go through the lessons for this module. After you get past the Overview and Download section with me here, we will jump into what I like to call the open for business mindset. Next, how to create an open house kit so you're ready to hold an open house at any given time at a moment's notice. How to find and select an open house. Then I'm going to walk you through preparing for that particular open house, how to effectively promote and advertise that open house, steps and insider tips, scripts, dialogues on how to conduct the open house. Also going to cover in this module how to conduct a virtual open house. And ultimately, we will finish up with post-open house procedures, what to do, how to stay in touch with people. And as always, the Let's Get to Work checklist, which you can download right here, along with all the other supporting documents, them as we go through the lessons. All right, you ready to learn how to have completely effective open houses and how to be open for business? Join me in the next lesson.